I'd say we're a homogeneous team, a wide variety of experiences, ages, backgrounds. We can relate to pretty much any customer, and we work very tightly together.
Everyone here is so passionate about their jobs and so good at what they do that there's time for, fun and love and just that really good work environment. And we're all kind of like holding each other accountable for getting stuff done because everyone is so passionate about the company and seeing that forward movement.
We trust people fully at first until they give us a reason not to. We don't want to hover over their shoulder and ask what they're doing every 30 minutes. We just want to let them run, do their thing, and then when they come back to us, have a beautiful product.
The team dynamic at LobbyFox can really be summed up with one word, and that's collaboration. We are always looking for people with new ideas, people who want to create something, start something, take ownership in something, be a part of something bigger.
Has created a safe space for me to fail and a safe space for me to learn from them and have really great people to look up to, and just kind of a goal for me and what I want to be and where I want to take my professional career.
We all have our roles and we know our lane, but at the same time, if you have a better idea than I do, I'm not going to hesitate to listen. And as long as we're listening to each other and determining what the best ideas are, we're going to be successful.
At the end of the day, the customer's opinion is what matters the most. Making the customer happy and make the way that their facility runs just faster, smoother, more secure. We many a time have gotten a customer that says, well, what if the system did this? Or we wish that this was a feature, and we take them and we bring them to our team and we're like, how can we make this work? We know that this industry has very specific needs, but if it might help benefit one customer, it could help benefit another one.
My favorite part of working at LobbyFox is how fast-paced and dynamic the environment is. Working in an environment where I'm always on my toes is really exciting, and I'm always learning new things. It's something new every day.
This is a great environment to be in. We're working with such a wide variety of customers. We're working with cutting-edge technology. Our staff is varied as well, whether we have folks that are highly technical or working with sales. We try to anticipate our customers' needs and keep them satisfied. Everyone's goal is to keep the customer happy.